Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, today we will learn that how can we write A words. Now let's start our work. Children, what is this? Cap. Cap. And the spelling of cap is C-A-P. Cap. C-A-P, cap. And what is this? Pen. Pen. P-A-N, pen. What is this? Fan. Very good. And what is the spelling of fan? F. A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. And what is this, children? Mad. Mad. M-A-T, mad. M-A-T, mad. And what is this? Bad. Bad. B-A-T, bad. And this is hat. Hat. H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. And this is jam. Jam. J-A-M, jam. Now read it again. J-A-M, jam. And this is map. Map. M-A-P, map. Read it again. M-A-P, map. I hope children you will understand how can we write A words. Children, this is your new phonic language series 3, means the book of PLS. Children, open the page number 19. Children, this page we have already done on board. So you have to do this page in the presence of your parents at home. Children, this is your home assignment. Thank you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.